Hi, it's Will, the engineer from Vanimal, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fit your racking or rackings into the back of your van. The demonstration I'm showing you is on the brand new 2023 Ford Transit Custom, but the principle is the same throughout all racking and all vans. It's worth mentioning at this stage that if you've chosen the phenolic version of our rackings, that when you assemble it so the smooth face is on the outside and the grippy textured face is on the inside. The first step is, once you've assembled your racking, put it into position, line it up where you want it to be, and then we need to mark out where we're going to fix our corner brackets to the racking. When screwing to the side of the van, it's very important we make sure we're screwing into a hollow section, and it is the inner skin and not the outer skin and the outside of the van. Use the longer screws, the tech screws they're called, to screw into the inner skin of the van. It's 4 fixings per racking, 2 on each side. In some areas, an inner skin might not be available. Still use the tech screws, but just simply screw into the ply line kit. If fitting more than one rack, then simply repeat the steps. Then if fitting 2 racks side by side, like this for example, then we do advise screwing them together in the centre. Following and repeating the steps, as you can see, this triple pack is now installed. Remember, all vans are slightly different and all rackings are slightly different, but follow the guidelines as the principle remains the same. Remember, fix to inner metal skin where possible. Thanks for watching.